Hey yarn enthusiasts, I'm Chanel, your crochet companion at Crochet Republic. Let's meet Peter. Introducing Peter, the adorable beginner crochet panda. Feast your eyes on this charming little fellow. Peter is poised to take center stage in our upcoming crochet escapade, and I'm eagerly anticipating the opportunity to lead you through each enchanting stitch. Whether you're embarking on your crochet journey or searching for a delightful addition to your collection, Peter is set to capture your hearts with his endearing movable limbs and adorable belly button. Get ready for a crochet experience that combines cuteness with creativity. In order to crochet along with us, you will need the following: pure gold chunky yarn in white and black. We used purple in this video so that you can see our stitches clearly. Polyester stuffing, a pair of 12mm solid black safety eyes, a 3.5mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, a long upholstery needle for sculpting the features, a pair of scissors, a stitch marker, a row counter, some pins, and a little bit of fishing line. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Crochet Republic for more crochet tips, tricks, and creative projects. Ring that bell to stay updated on all our upcoming yarn-filled escapades. Thank you for joining us on this crochet journey. You can also find Crochet Republic on Etsy, Facebook, and Instagram. Links are in the introduction below the video for easy access. Handmade with love until we meet again in the Crochet Republic. Bye for now!